All right. Good evening once again, everyone. I believe my audio is clear. Can all hear me? So I just need one person to confirm before I start. Can you all hear me clearly? Please, I need to confirm that. Please, I need a response from one person. Please, can you hear me now? Can anybody hear me? Please, I need to confirm my audio before I start.
I hear you, but your network is kind of low.
We can hear you.
Okay, so I just need a better network before I start. Let me see if I switch back to MTN. It's going to be better. How is it now? Can you hear me now? Is it better now? Is it better? Can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? Please. What is it?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me now? Okay. All right. All right. So last week we stopped at title, logo, and tagline configuration within our WordPress website. Tonight, we are starting with creating and adding pages. So like I told us in that class, we have an order that we follow when building websites with WordPress. The order is that after you have purchased a domain, then you install the WordPress theme and templates. After that, you have access to your dashboard, which is what we are seeing on the screen now. Now, once you have access to your dashboard, the next thing is for you to set your user information. That was the reason why we went to users and then we click on profile just for us to check the default settings that came with the installation. If peradventure one of the settings does not align with what we want to do, we have that opportunity to change it. So that was the reason why I started by showing us the user, how to set user profile. Then after you have set up or you have examined the user information and you have made necessary adjustments as the case may be, the next thing is for you to determine your logo, your favicon, which falls under logo. Remember that day we worked with two different images, two different logo. One was the one that is showing on the browser alongside with your website tag name. Then we also look at how to set our tagline. I told us the tagline is very important because Google SEO uses the tagline to make your website visible to searchers. That was what we did in that class, and I want to believe we have all tried that out. Now, let's quickly look at what do we mean by website pages. There is nobody in this class that have not once visited a website. And if you have, you will agree with me that there are pages. So these pages, they are actually two different interfaces that make up your website itself. Now, let's look at what these pages are. So I want us to know what a web page is all about. Web pages are the individual documents or resources that make up a website, like I just explained now. They are written using web technologies such as HTML, which means hypertext markup language, and CSS cascade style sheets, and sometimes JavaScript to structure style. So the structural aspect is the HTML, while the design aspect is the style there is the CSS, and the interactive there is the JavaScript. I just want us to understand this, though we are not using this language is raw for this method of web design. But we just have to have an idea of what is happening at the background. Now we have some pages because our focus or our first topic tonight is how to create and add pages. So I wanted us to know what these pages we want to create and also populate in our navigation bar are all about. So that is the essence of these notes that I have given us now. So we have part of the pages we are going to create, or part of the pages you come across in a website. We have what we call the home page. The home page is usually referred to as the landing page. So in other words, when you write www. the website location and the extension, the very first page the browser takes you to, it is called the home page. So most time it is called the landing page. So if you will come across digital marketers that will ask you to build a website for marketing their products, what they are familiar with is landing page. Sometimes they don't know what is called home page, but I just want us to know that home page is the same thing as the landing page. So let's read further to know the goal of this page. What is the target? What are you targeting with this page? It is the first thing visitors see when they come to your website. This page should be welcoming and provide a clear idea of what your website is all about. The homepage is crucial because it is your chance to make a great first impression on your audience and encourage them to explore further. So what I have said here is that as we proceed to creating and adding these pages, when you are developing the homepage, you must give it a quality time because, like I've highlighted here, it what gives your user first impression. It is the content you have in the homepage that will trigger, that will motivate them to know if they are going to explore your website further, which means whether they are going to check through other pages. So there are some users that once they get to a website and they see that what you have there has nothing to write about, they will not bother going to about us to know about you. They will not even bother to go to your shop, your online digital page where you must have published your product that they can shop online. So we need to bear that in mind, that as we design our homepage, please let's spend quality time to make sure that it is top notch, because that is the first page they will see. Now we have some pages like shop. And what is this page dedicated for? This page is where you showcase the products or services you offer. Make sure to provide details, description, images, and pricing. This page is essential as it helps potential customers understand what you are selling and allow them to make purchases. So for those of us that are working with e-commerce websites, you need this page. If you want users to buy your product online, so you are going to create a shop right in your website. Now we have another page, because these are some of the pages I'm going to create tonight, so that somebody will not be asking what is a blog, what is homepage, what is contact page. That is the reason why I'm taking my time to go through them, so that we can have proper understanding as regard to the role of each of these pages. Now, it depends on the website, the kind of website you are also developing, that will determine whether it needs blog page or not. That is why we are reading, so that we know whether your website needs it or not. So the blog page is the hub for your website content. It is where you regularly publish articles, tips, and other valuable information for your visitors. By consistently sharing relevant and engaging content, you can position yourself as an expert in your niche, drive more traffic to your site, and improve your search engine ranking. More on this. Talk about that when we get to SEO. And what we are saying is that your blog page is where people is a kind of, is just like you are providing a forum for interaction, feedback, just like the way you chat on your WhatsApp, the way you chat on your Facebook. You know, those are live communication. I send to you, you receive, and then you respond immediately. So you are trying to make room for interaction within your website. That is where blog page comes in. Like all these newspaper websites, like Vanguard and the rest of them, they all have blogging page. They are all bloggers. You see them publishing articles. So some of us, we are bloggers. We write articles. We are gifted in one area. So we want to be writing about it, and then you want those contents to be on the internet. So it means that your portfolio website you have such a page where you can always discuss. So it's actually meant for discussion. That will enable you to know strong feedback, how they are faring, people using your website. So we have the contact us page. What is this page expected to capture? The contact page is where your visitor can find ways to get in touch with you. It usually include contacts, form. So this page, we are going to design form where we get to that page design, phone numbers, email address, and physical address. This page is vital because it allows potential customers to reach out with questions, concerns, or feedback, which can lead to new business opportunity and better your customer relationship. I have not visited any website where there is no about our contact page. Because if there's no contact, how are they going to contact you? Remember that a website is a marketing platform where you are showcasing your product. And there's a reason why those products are showcased there, because you want to get the attention of people to buy them. So if at the end of the day, somebody log into your website and is enticed or probably what is encouraged with your product, he likes your product, and there is no place within the website where the person can reach you right away, either through call or WhatsApp or through Facebook. So When you are developing any form of website, being it portfolio, business website, you must have a contact page. But the blog page is optional. It is also a good idea to use it as an about us page by telling your story. It helps your visitors understand who you are. So on this very page, you can also add a button there that when they click on that button, it will take them to about you. And then from there, they will know your mission, they will know your vision, and the rest information. Now, let me quickly talk about these other important pages. We have privacy policy. Now, all these falls under legal pages. In your website, always ensure that you have legal pages. The legal pages build trust in the visitor's mind. It gives them some trust concerning you, that you are regulated by an authority. So we have a couple of them. We have privacy, we have terms and conditions, and then we have refund and return, particularly if you are building an e-commerce website. There must be a refund and return policies. People should know the condition that tie them in case they purchase a product from you and the product probably is not good. So they should know the time frame allowed, whether within the next 15 days or 30 days before you can actually receive it from them. So if all these policies are not there, it means there will be arguments. Sorry, I'm coming. All right, so I will just go through them. So these are pages we are going to create. And like I told us, we are going to also learn prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is a situation whereby we leverage on generative AI to prompt or to create some content for us, standard content. And that is what you have here. So when we get there, we will come back here and take this template. We will just substitute our website, our product, what we are selling, our email, our dates, the address, and then once we run it, ChatGPT will create a privacy policy for us. Then the same thing for other pages. We will also generate content for terms and conditions. So we will also consult the generative AI ChatGPT to also, once we provide our website URL, our business name, that is your company name, the products you deal with, and who are the product targeting. Then the email, the address, and the dates, ChatGPT will create this for you. So you can see that it is no longer difficult for you to create all this for your clients. You might not need to consult them to give you their terms and conditions. All you need from them, get their website, their business name, their product. They will be surprised that you are able to generate terms and conditions, and you are also able to generate refund and return policies. Once you substitute all this information, you will be able to get them immediately. All right. So that is all about that. So let me go back to my slide. Now, let's quickly look at the practical aspect of what I have explained so far. Let's go to the section of creating and adding the pages. Now we have an idea of what these pages are. So I go back to create your pages. For those that are noting down steps, you log into your WordPress backend just like this. Once you get here, the first thing you are going to do, you view the pages, because for each theme that you install comes with some already created pages. So the first thing is for you to check what and what do you have what are the pages that are already in the theme, whether you need to add or you even need to delete and create more. So that's the first thing, to check how many pages you inherited at the point of installing the theme and the template. So to do that, you go to your dashboard. From your dashboard, navigate to where you see pages. Then click on all pages. So once you click on all pages, it will take you to an environment where all the pages that are currently running on this website are listed. So these are the pages. These are the pages that came with the theme that you install. Some of us, your pages might be different from mine. So I am just telling you that before you start creating pages, it is professional. You check what you already have to know whether you need to add. So we have blog page already. We have cart. So this is an e-commerce website. That is why we have some of the, for those of you that installed portfolio, don't expect to see cart as a page. We have checkout, that is once they place order and they want to buy it. So for those of us that install portfolio, you should expect to see checkout. But definitely we have the homepage, we have my account. All these are because you have a product page and so on. Now, before you start your development, just like the way I check what I have, the pages I already have, you need to also check the front end. So while you are developing, you open the front end in a browser, and also have your back end also opened. So right now, this is my back end, and then I need to also open the front end so that whatever I am creating here, I can be checking how it's responding at the front end. Now let's check, how do we check the front end? You navigate to the name of your site here where you have that home icon. Then right click on it, select open link in a new tab. So it will open the front end. So for the front end here, we will confirm whether we can actually see all these pages. There are some of them that are not added to the navigation bar. So we are going to know how to add them as part of what we plan to cover. So let's wait for the front end to open. All right, so you can see the front end has opened. Now, if you look at the front end here, out of those pages, we have just two pages, home, blog. But let's go to the back end. You can see that we have policy, privacy policy page already created in this template. I also have my shop, but the shop is not showing on the navigation bar. The shop is not showing, and that is why the topic says how to create and add pages. So the next thing I'm going to do, now that I have an idea of the pages, let's do something here. Let's assume that I want to change, like where I have my account. I just want it to be what? Account. So what I will do is I will just select what? Edit. I will just select edit. network. So instead of me using edit, let me just use what? Quick edit. Use quick edit because I'm not actually targeting the main page. I just want to, let's assume that I want to rename this page. I want to convert it to a different word. So I can just say, okay, I don't want it to be my account. I just want it to be account. So once I'm done editing, I will just select what? Update. So by the time it comes back, you can see that what? I have changed it to a single word. Now, like I told us, the reason why you have to start by checking the pages you already have is to know whether you need to remove some or you need to add. I don't need sample page. So if I want to remove this, I will just mark it. If there is any other page that I feel that I don't need, then I will check all of them. After that, you come to this place where you have bulk action. You select what? Move to trash. And then you click on what? Apply. So that is how to delete page from your page lists. So in case there is any page that came with your installation, the theme, and the template, and you need to remove it, that is how to remove it. So I need this. I'm not deleting. I need the blog page. I need the cart page. I need what? The checkout page. I need the home page. I need the privacy, but I am going to substitute my content in here and also here. Then I need this. But I want to add about us. About us is not here. So we are adding about us. We are adding contact us. So these are the two pages. And we are also adding gallery, where we can actually showcase maybe deliver or work done. So I've identified 3 pages we want to create. So let me see if I can still identify more. Okay, so let's say I want to also create an update or news page where I can sort out news from different websites like Vanguard. I can go there and get a news, maybe trending info news, and add the link in my website. So I am using that to engage my visitor so that they will see reason why they should keep coming to my website because I provide them what? News. That is if it is necessary. So let's assume I am also adding admin to this. So remember, this is our front end. You have to keep your front end open so that whatever you are doing here, you can always come back here to check. Now I have just 2. So let's quickly create those pages that I mentioned. So once I have created the pages, I will populate the pages here. And then I will even create a drop down. So once I have done that, I will pause. Then everybody will now do the same before I proceed. So just make sure that you write your step as I take us through how to create those 3 pages and how to add them to the navigation bar. Okay, now let's go there. Now, the first thing is for you to log into your dashboard. Then from your dashboard, we go to that same all pages, but this time around, we click on add pages or add new page. So I'll click on it. So let's wait for it to add the page. So what you will have done next time is to right click so that it will open in a new tab so that you can still have access to the dashboard in case you want to go back there. So it takes time. For the first time you are loading this add new page, usually take time, though it depends on your network speed and your laptop speed as well. The network is a bit slow, but let's give it time. It will definitely open. Almost there. Let me see if I switch network. I will better network. All right, so this is how it will open. Hope you can still hear me. Can you guys still hear me? Because I just switched my network now. I want to know if you are hearing me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is add new page. So you click where you have that add new page. Like I told us, I am adding 3 more pages. So the first one is about us. You can actually follow any order. I can say about. Then once you have created the name, you click on publish. Click on publish, and then it will update it. MTN is not slower than Excel. So we have to wait for it to publish, and then it will give us a notification that you have just published a page before you can move on. It's like the Airtel is better than this. Okay, so publish, as you can see, publish. Now, this is the URL. Let's say you want to copy it and share it on WhatsApp for somebody to target this page. You can just copy it. Now, to create the other page, instead of me going back to my dashboard, I will click on add new page so that from here, it will give me another new page. Let me check whether this will be better. Better is better. All right, so I'll type the next page. The next page is contact us, because we discovered that the default did not come with contacts. Now you also what? Publish, then publish. Okay, good. I think it's faster now. So I click on add again. Okay, so the next one is the gallery page. Gallery. Click on publish. Okay, so let's just add one more, which is news or update page. Okay, so let's say updates or let's say news. Publish. So this last page. After this, we'll go for adding the pages to our navigation bar. Just give me 1 minute. All right, so now that we have added all the pages, the next thing is for us to check the front end, like I was telling us. Once you update from the back end, you must always come to the front end and check what you are doing. So let's refresh the browser and see if all those pages are added. So you can see them. They are all here now. You have your home, you have your blog, then you have your about, you have your contact, then you have gallery and the news. So the next thing I want to show us is how to create. Now, the reason why they are added, depending on the templates you are working with. There are some templates where you add this, it will not be added automatically. You have to go somewhere and authorize them to show on the navigation bar. Apart from that, all of them are added horizontally. I want a drop-down. That is, I want like more, because it is not good for you to crawl this particular place with too many links or navigation links. Sometimes when they are too much, it will not make sense, particularly when it comes on mobile, knowing that everything will collapse to hamburger. Now, as it is now, I want more. I want a page called more. Then in that more, that is where they will see gallery. That is where they will see news. But the only one they are going to see here will be home. Even this blog will be in the more. So I will just allow home, about, contact. Okay, let's leave blog here. So let's say you have like 10 of them. These are just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Supposing you have 10 links, 10 navigation pages. Is that how you are going to spread all of them here? The answer is no. So you must know how to wrap some, which we call a drop down. You create a drop down. So now I want to quickly go back and create that page. And now I'm going to name that page more, so that that page can form a drop down for those other pages. So let's quickly create that before we proceed to adding the pages to our navigation bar. Okay, so let's name it more. Publish, publish. Now, this place you are seeing publish, depending on your team, it might be updates. So where you cannot see publish, you can see updates. Go ahead with it. So now we have created all the pages. Now we are going back to the roots, to the dashboard, for us to be able to what? To add those pages as we want them, even to choose the order we want them to be. So how do I go back? I will just click on this icon here to go back. That is why what I will have done is to open this in a new tab so that I don't lose my dashboard. So I can always switch back to it. So the next thing we are going to do now, we are going to be opening in a new tab so that we can see access our dashboard to avoid going back like this. All right, now, for those that are writing, what we just concluded now is how to delete pages and how to create more. So you can see all the work we create, they are now here. Initially, when we came to this place, most of these pages, news was not there, more was not there, and the rest of them, they were not there. But now we have them. But what we want to do right now is, like the topic says, creating and adding pages. So we have completed creating the pages. Now we want to add the pages. Now to add the pages, all you need to do is to click on the home icon here, where you have your site's name displayed. Okay, let me not go through that option. That is actually a long process. So you go to appearance. From appearance, you go to menu. In case you are writing, the topic now is how to add the created pages to the navigation bar. So I said, go to your WordPress dashboard, where we are now, select appearance, then click on menu. Oh, I don't want to lose it. Let me go back and right click. I actually want to retain this page. So go to appearance, then right click on that menu, let it open in a new tab. So let's wait for it to open here. So this is where you will control the pages. This is where you will determine which one comes first. This is where you will create your drop down. So let's wait for it to open. Okay, so we are here. So you can see all the pages you created. These are all the pages. So if you click here, it will show you all. In case you are on most recent and you are not seeing some of those pages, kindly switch to what? View all pages. If you cannot find it, then search it out. Now, you check all the pages you have here. Are they also here? So let's see. We have home, which is here. Then we have our blog, which is also here. We have about, which is also here. We have contact, which is here. We have gallery, which is here. We have news, and then we have more. Now, the reason why that shop, you can see that shop is not displayed here. So good. So this is a very perfect example. Let's assume that after you have created all this and they are not showing, this is where you will now control it. Since the shop is not here, just kindly select it and then add to menu. So it will automatically what? Duplicate it here.
Now, once you update it like this, you click on Save Menu. Anything you do here, if you make any changes, you click on Save Menu. If you don't click on Save Menu, it will not update. So once the update is completed, let's go back to the front end now and refresh. You will see the shop here now. Because the shop have to be visible because that is where you are going to publish all your products that the users will buy. So it should be added to your navigation bar. It shouldn't be hidden. So once this page finishes loading, we are expected to see the shop here. Good, so you can see it now. So which means anytime you create pages and the page fails to display here, then we go to follow the step, appearance. Remember, we went through what? Appearance, the menu, and that was what brought us here. So the next thing I want to do is that I created this more the other time so that this news can be under it, gallery will be under it, and then if there's any other minor link, will be under it. So let's identify the one we want to bring under it. Gallery news should be under what? More. So how do I control that? Now watch, but before that, we need to state the order. The order is that after home, we want about us. After about us, we want contact. After contact, then the blog. After blog, then the more, where we are going to have the gallery and the news under it. So how do I change the order? These are the things you can actually do from here. So how do I change the order? So this is what I'm going to do. I want this one to come immediately after home. So I will click on it and drag. So I have automatically what? Change the order. I will click on this one and drag. I've also changed the order. Then the block follow. Then these two will be under more. So more will follow. And then under more, I am going to have my gallery and my news. And then shop will follow. Shop should follow more. So let me bring more here. Let's have the shop first before the more. Now to create a drop down. In other words, if we are going to say that gallery is a sub item of more, news is a sub item of more, what I'm going to do is this. You pick this gallery, you shift it. You see, automatically, you have make it what? A sub item. In other words, there is a drop down when they click before they can see this. Now, I will also shift this. If I want to create a drop down, you can have different level of drop down. If I drop this one like this, in other words, you are saying that when you go to more, you will see gallery. When you now click on gallery, you will not see news. But I want them to be sibling. So once you have done this, like I told you, once you make any changes here, you have to click on what? Save menu for it to update. So once that is completed, we will go back to our front end and refresh and see whether we have that update. So let's come back here and refresh. So that's the reason why I said you need to have your front end open and then your back end open. So whatever you are updating here, you can be checking it. Now you can see we have created a drop down and we have reduced. Now we still have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's look at the mobile view. Let's look at the mobile view of this site, because sometimes your design should target mobile, because statistics have shown that out of 100% website users, 95% use their phones. So you shouldn't be okay or comfortable just because they look nice like this on a laptop. So how do I check mobile view? Now from here, you can actually what? Check your mobile view. So what we are going to simply do is to right click on this page, select inspect. Now you can see how this website will look like on mobile. On mobile, it will collapse here. So when they click here, it will bring out the drop down. And then when you click here before, you can see. So you can see that what on mobile is responding perfect. So since I am okay with the mobile, let's go back to laptop view. So I'll be allowing us to share our screen simultaneously and see how you are able to get to where I am now. So everybody should start creating. Remember, you start from checking the pages that came with your theme and template installation, and then see if there are some you don't need. Delete them, then create more, then add them just like I did. Everybody, I want a drop down. I want a drop down, please. If you are dealing with service, maybe you can say service. Maybe under service, you have different categories of services. So let me enable us to share our screen. But before then, any question first? Question, please. Any question? Okay. See, there are. Okay, you have question. Go ahead.
Okay. I happened to check my own, and you know, it was a portfolio, and he already had a drop down where the the pages were not listed like this. I had to tap on something
You know what?
before all of them show.
Share your screen now. Share your screen. Let others also learn from what you are saying. So share your screen now. Let's get your view from your end. Please share your screen. Share your, okay, it's coming up.
So this is what I'm saying. This is my front end, and
okay,
this is what I'm seeing here. I had to click on this, and then it brought this already. Like it's not listed like your own.
yes.
Different. I don't know.
I told us from beginning that the themes are different. In other words, we purchase different houses. Okay, you don't expect to see the same. You don't expect to see the same pattern of room. So that is why, as a WordPress developer, don't always think that at some point you will not look for things. I said it the other time, because you are not the one that built the house. So the best way you perfect WordPress is for you to keep installing different things and keep editing them so that you can widen your knowledge on how to edit different words, theme. I don't know if it's clear.
Yeah. It's clear.
So we purchase.
So that means the only thing I can create now, is a little drop down, like more.
Good.
I can create more pages here.
Yes, you can create more pages.
And then do a
No, what is happening here right now? Let me tell you what is happening to you here. The responsiveness that was programmed on this team is already responsive to like mobile view. That is why you are seeing those three lines. Those three lines, they are called hamburger. Now, ordinarily, you are supposed to see you are supposed to see those three lines only on mobile view or on a tablet device, not a laptop. Now, it's the responsiveness, the media query. That is how it was built. You understand? So it is possible that if you open this website on a bigger laptop, don't be surprised, you will not see those, you will not see the hamburger. It will not be showing like my own. So
the larger the laptop, the more.
Yes, that is the resolution that was programmed with this very theme you installed. Okay. Now, but go ahead and create more pages and also add them. So let me see another person.
I deleted this page already.
Okay. And you added more?
I deleted the sample page. So
good.
No, I'm going to add now.
Okay, go and add. Now let me
somebody else can share that.
Good, exactly. Oh yeah. Who else is working there, please? Let's see what you are doing. So the work have started. WordPress is about working. I cannot just be working alone. If you don't edit, if you don't engage yourself, you will not know it. If you are just looking at what I'm doing. That is why at this point now, it's going to be you work, I work. Now, let me see the next person. Any other person? Who else is joining with laptop, please? Help us to share your screen. Oyikosi, are you sharing? Are you joining with your laptop? Cynthia.
Yes.
Please, can you share your screen? We'd like to see what you are doing there. No, the other time I said those that are not saying anything, they have finished work at the background. Let's see. Please, let's share our screen. If we are not willing to share, then I will just continue.
I have most of the pages in my own, so maybe I'll just add gallery and
Share your screen. We do not believe. We want to see it, man. We are
okay.
adapting, Thomas. We want to see it. Let's know what you have there.
Okay, let me share my screen.
Go ahead.
Okay, this is it.
All right.
I have a okay. I have most of them here.
Let's see I want to see all of
I
them.
have
Keep
about.
going there. Keep going there. No.
Okay, there's about. There's dog.
Okay.
There's cats.
Okay.
Checkout. Contact. Home. My account. Privacy policy.
Now delete that
Refund
sample.
and return policy.
Delete the sample first. You don't need sample, please. Everybody always delete sample. Delete sample. Let me know.
Okay, sample page.
Yes, I want to see whether you know how to delete.
Okay, I've done that.
Let's see.
I've removed the sample page.
It's not showing, right? Okay. Now I want you.
So I have refund and return policy.
Okay, I want you to add portfolio. This is your business website, but let's assume that you want to dedicate a page to explain yourself. Who
Okay.
you are. You want to tell them who you are, whether you are a developer or you are just a business person. So add a portfolio page. You are adding portfolio. You are also adding admin. Add admin. You are adding portfolio, add admin. Let's see whether you can add these two pages quickly. Others, you are also learning from what those that are sharing their screen are doing. So I'm not expected to start asking you to do most of these things that I'm asking them to do. So you are expected to learn from what they are doing, except I decide to ask you.
Okay. I'm here. I want to add them portfolio.
Okay, type. Okay, we are add it. Publish, 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 publish. Good. Click again. Click again. All right. Now we are click on add new page under copy to
I've done that.
All right. Okay.
Okay. Admin.
Admin. And then you are also adding more. There should be more page where we are going to add some of these admin as a drop down. So you add another one called more. I'll be coming to Cynthia now. Cynthia, get ready.
I've added more.
Okay. All right. Now, let me see your front end. Remember, I told you you need to have opened your front end to be checking what you are populating from the back end, what you are posting. Now, let's go to your front end and see whether all these pages you created are already reflecting. Go to where you have Mandy Hub. There is a link there that says visit site. Mandy Hub.
Oh, sorry. Let me go back and open in a new tab.
No. You can see Mandy Hub, your site name, that house. Right click on it or select, right click on visit site. Right click on visit site. I don't know whether you have clicked. All right. This is your site. This your site is better than the one you gave me.
Yes, at its home.
You gave me ugly one.
Services, blog, contact, portfolio. See the portfolio.
Okay, so good.
See admin more.
Good. Now, madam, what you will do for me now, I want you to wrap portfolio and admin under. Now, look at what you are going to do for me now. I believe others are watching. Pay attention. Hold on. What you are, madam, go back to your front end. I want to tell you what you have to do for me. Go back to the front end. Go back to the front end. Go back to the front end.
Okay, I'm there.
Okay, now, what I want you to do for me, the order will be home, about us, contact. You can see that contact is coming after blog. That is not how I want it. The order will be home, about, contacts, service, blog. The portfolio and admin should be sub-item under more. So go ahead now. Go ahead and achieve that. Every other person, please, you are watching as well. So you should be able to do your own. After our own, I will take from one more person, then I will continue. Right click so that you open. Okay, just proceed. Don't worry. Proceed.
So I have home. I have about us.
Okay, there you are also adding that shop. That shop, you are adding it. You are adding the shop. You know, the shop was not showing on your navigation bar, so we need to add it here. Well, let's get the order first. No, that is not the order. Please check the alignment. What you have done now, good. Then service should not be a sub-item of contact. Make sure you are not too fast. You are following me. Then what else? Service should come.
You have about contact.
Immediately after contact. Service, take up service before you start creating your sub. Take it up. Let it come after contact. Good. Not sub item. It should be one of the main items, not sub item. All right. So now, your portfolio, your admin. Now, take up more first. Take up more. Let more come after blog. Okay. All right. So now, your portfolio should be a sub-item of more and your admin. Correct. Now, we are save. Save menu. Down. Save menu. Save menu. Are you seeing it? Before delete menu. Before delete menu. Now, I want you. Okay, good. Now, let's go back to the front end and check. Let's go back to the front end and check. Go back to the front end. Good. You know, you have opened it before.
Yeah, you have home, about, contact, services, blog.
Oh, yeah,
then we have the more.
Click on the more. Let's see whether we can. Okay, good. Perfect. Very clean site.
Portfolio.
Your website. You gave me the ugly one. You gave me the ugly.
Sir?
I said you gave me the ugly one. This one is finer than the one you gave me.
Ah,
All right, so unshare your screen. Let someone else share. Cynthia, I'm coming on you. Cynthia,
okay.
unshare your screen now. Cynthia. Okay, Oyikosi, go ahead, go ahead. Let's see your work. Let's see what you have done. Oyikosi, let's go there. Okay, Oyikosi, let me view your pages. Let me view your pages. Let's start from pages. All view, click on all pages. Go to page, click on pages. Please, I believe you were following while I was guiding the other person. So that once you get to your turn, you will not waste our time. Okay, so, all right, about, keep going. Now, remove sample page. I've said it before, delete sample page. I don't know if you can see sample page. Locate it. All right. Now, you added more news. Please talk to us. We want to hear you. What are the pages you added here? I want to know the pages you added, please.
I added more news updates and gallery. 3 things.
Okay.
Because I have contacts and about.
Front end. Let's see the front end first. I want to see the front end first. Okay, your front end is responsive like the other person's own. Okay, does it mean that if people are minimizing your page, or is this is still on maximize? Click on
My
the,
own, even when I increase, it's still the same way.
okay, so now, oh yeah, click on the hamburger, those 3 lines, click on them. Let's see whether we can see those pages you created. Click on the hamburger, those 3 lines. Okay, okay. All right, all right. Okay. Okay, now, well, yeah, let's go back to appearance. Let's go back to appearance.
Gallery is not part of those things. It's not there.
That is one.
Gallery was not included.
Yes, gallery is not. Okay, okay, okay.
Yes, even new self is not even there.
Yes, if gallery
Okay.
is not showing, you should know where to add it now. That's what we just did now. It's from here you will add it from here. So where is the
She has
gallery?
done it already now.
You have added it, have you? Okay, no, gallery is on.
It's under more.
Okay, all right. Now click on save menu. All right, so we have to proceed. Others follow the same step. At least you have witnessed not less than 3 people's work. So you should be able to work to do your own from your end. And I want to be sure that every one of us have an account we are working with. If you don't have an account, please let me know so that I can create one for you. And you can be doing what we are doing. So for the young man that just joined today, please chat me up later so that I will send you the video of the first class. And let's say the video of because the first class was repeated actually. So I'll send you the video of the first class. You should be able to watch that video, and then I will just send you an account that you can use to practice all this. All right. Somebody say my network. Okay, is it your network that is bad or my network? Please, I need to know. Hope you guys are hearing me. Can you guys still hear me, please? Are you guys hearing me?
Can hear you, sir.
Okay, all right. So now,
Yes, we can.
now we want to proceed. We want to add one more topic. So I believe we have sorted out the first topic. So we are going to the next topic. And the next topic says legal pages. So we want to learn how to create legal pages. Now, what are these legal pages? So let me go to the contents and show us what the legal pages are. I think I've explained that before. So these are the legal pages. The privacy policy page is where you inform your visitor. So I've already explained them. So I will just go straight to the practical, how you can develop them. So I'm going to start with, the privacy. Let me look at the first prompt we want to create. Yeah, the first prompt is the privacy. The privacy. That is the first prompt. So we are going to consult ChatGPT here to help us construct privacy policy due to the type of business you are into. So as we are all developing different websites, you should know the type of website you are building and be able to substitute your email, the dates you are generating this privacy policy, the address of your business, the product you deal with, and the URL. The URL should be, for those of you that are using Digitech Z, you use it, so you know your URL. You're going to see it now. So what I'm going to do, the first thing I'm going to do, so this is just like a global law that guides every website. So for every website you are developing, for it to be Google SEO friendly, it must have privacy policy. So this is where you actually tell the visitor what you want to do with their data. Peradventure, they are to fill a form within your website. So I am going to copy the whole of this statement. I'm going to copy the whole of this statement. Then open a ChatGPT. I've taught us before, you have to create an account with what? ChatGPT. Is one of the generative AI platform for creating content. So these days, we don't stress ourselves. You don't bother the client, because I'm very sure that there are some clients that when you are bothering them with this information, maybe they are not educated enough. It will slow down your work and they may not be able to provide it. Before you see, it will not become a dumb project because you are asking them to provide what they cannot provide. So once you have those information, you help them out. So what we are doing right now is called prompt engineering. So I'll go to my ChatGPT. Remember that we have copied it. Then I will try. I'm using a trial version. Then I will paste it here. Now, you know the type of website or the business the person is into. So if I could just go back to this front end and check, this is an e-commerce website. So I want to choose the product we deal with. Let's say I sell cars. Let's say I sell cars. So based on that, I'll come back here. I will start substituting. So my website address will be replaced here. So which is what? digitechz.com.ng. Now, my business name is, know your business name. Let's say my business name is what? L&G Limited.
Check your website. So your website is not correct. So check the website you put.
Okay, thank you very much. I think it's correct now, right? Good.
Yes.
Now,
Yes, sir.
your business name is this, L&G Limited. So you know your business name. So I'll say what? L&G Limited. L&G Limited. So then you sell or you offer. If it is training, you offer, you change some of these words to the right word. So, but since it's a product, since it's a physical product, so we sell. So we sell, what did I say we are into? Who is the person that gave me this account that time? Omo Ibo, right? What do we sell here? Let's assume that, let me make this
You just mentioned cars. Now let's put cars there.
Thank you very much. So, we sell cars. So to generate policy for this type of business.
Cars with S.
I've made car for who are your targets, let's say customers or clients. So your niche can be maybe the particular people you are targeting, maybe students. So there must be a category of people you are targeting with the product. My email is, I will say my email is info at DG. Don't know why my keyboard is info at DG. Tech. .com.ng.
Are we using that your email or even that website name? Is that what we are still using?
You are using everything. You know, you are learning now. Once you are done learning, you are expected to host your URL by yourself so that you have all this information corresponding with your own. Now, but for now, you have to use this. Then address, let's say number 1, Okpanamu. Panam. Asaba. Or Delta. Delta State.
It's not Okpanam Road, though. Is it just Okpanam?
Don't mind me, Jare. Anyone. We are learning. So if you are building for customer, please get the right information, please. The right address, because all this information you are providing is what Google will use to rank this particular website so that when people are searching, Google can shortlist that particular company so that people can buy product from them. So that is why they are mandatory. You do all this. Then the dates you are programming this. Today's date is, what is today's date?
8th of February.
Okay, 8. So let me just 802/2025. Then make sure it covers data collection, storage, usage, sharing, and security measures, while also addressing users' rights and how they can exercise them. Make sure to include any necessary legal language and provision to maintain transparency and protect users. So once you have checked everything, now let's run it. So ChatGPT will create that for you in a moment. Okay, so you can see it's loading. Answer in chat. Loading. Okay. So the privacy policy has been what? Drafted and whatever. Let's see. Okay, so this is it here. This is it here. So I can just expand it. All right, so what I'm going to do here is to copy the whole of this information. So you can see that what they have already substituted your information. Everything is submitted. They are all here. So what you simply do is to copy it. Copy. But I want to be sure that I copied everything. I think that is everything. But let me, or you can highlight like this. Make sure that it's capturing everything. Then right click, copy. So the next thing is for me to take it to my website. So I'll go back to my dashboard, then go to pages, Then from here, remember that was policy page. It came with a default. So you can just select what? Edit. You just click on edit.
Checo, where you edited is refund and return policy. You didn't, not the privacy policy.
Not here. Okay, let me see. It's privacy now. Is it not privacy? Okay, let's see. Okay, let me be sure.
It was refund and
let me be sure again. Let me be sure. Again. Let me be sure. So let me be sure. Okay, so select edit. All right, so you can see this is what came with your installation, and there is no place where your company name is mentioned. So had it been you just inherited this, Google will never rank this website because you are not following the global words and rule. So remember that we have copied everything ChatGPT gave to us. So what I'm going to do here is to select everything here. select everything here. This one is there. You can't change it. So start your selection from the next heading. Down, 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 down. Take everything here. Then press Ctrl V. So that will automatically paste. So this is the one ChatGPT created for you, which capture all your information. So you can see. So at least with this, you have just built confidence on your users. So they will have trust on you. So once you have done that, you will have to publish it, to update it. So you publish so that it become live.
So I have a question, please. The one that was there before, did you remove it? Did you delete that one away?
Yes. You know, once you highlight and paste, it will override that one. I highlighted it, then I pasted. So that means I have automatically...
Because you didn't make mention of deleted it after highlighting.
Yes, yes.
So that was why I was asking.
So, oh yeah, everybody quickly do this, or yeah, everybody do this. Let's achieve this. So the same thing I am going to do. So I'm going to drop this right up now.
Are we going to highlight when we click on edit privacy, are we going to highlight everything inside there before paste?
Yes, yes, you highlight all the contents that came with your installation. So that as you are pasting, to clear up everything you have there before.
Okay.
So how do we get this stuff now? You forward it to us.
Yes, I'm forwarding. I want to upload it now. I'm uploading this particular one now so that you can generate it.
So how do we now? Okay, we'll publish after.
You publish now. You are going to do it for me now. I'm sending you what you are seeing on the screen now. What you are seeing on the screen now, so that you don't have to start writing it.
I've copied it already. I've copied it already.
Okay, cool. You can actually copy it from.
No, I snapped it and then I used them. There's some how I did it. I copied it and then used ChatGPT.
Okay.
I used my phone to do that.
Okay.
So this is it now.
Okay.
This is my own.
So let me send for those that.
So this is my own now. I'm sharing a screen. This is what I got.
So I just drop it in the WhatsApp group now. So the rest you can get it from there. And make sure that you are also storing it, copy it, open MS Word or a notebook and be storing them because you might reuse them in the future.
So look at my own. I just shared the screen.
Okay.
File publish it.
All right. Can you scroll down? I want to see where your company name is mentioned. Okay. All right. Okay.
So I can publish, right?
Yes, yes. So publish now. Now, the rest, someone else should share screen. Let's see how you are doing it. Someone else should share screen. Let's see how you are doing it. The content is already there. Make sure you create an account with ChatGPT so that you can have access to it. Or you have any other AI app, the one that does not require accounts, you can use a Google AI Studio. Okay, this is Oyikosi, right? Can you speak to us? Is this Oyikosi? Please, if you are sharing your screen, please let us know. I want to know the person's screen on on my screen now. Who is sharing? Okay, I think it was still Shidera before. Who is sharing? Please, Omoibo, please, can you share? Let's see what you have done there.
I'm still working on my own.
Okay. But let's be seeing it now. Somebody should just keep the screen busy.
Okay, let me share my screen now so that you see.
Let's be watching what you are doing. If you don't have an account, make sure you chat me up so that I can create one and send to you tomorrow. So once you get to you, you do some of these things we are doing. Okay, is there any other person that is working as well? I want to be switching from one screen to another while we are waiting for her to finish her own. This is how we are supposed to be working. That's the only way you can really understand this, because it's about editing theme and templates. Please, where we are substituting our
So I
information,
need help. Oh,
the square bracket should not be left behind. Remove it.
has it gone out?
Please, remove the square bracket. Good. Who need help? Somebody say you need help.
Oh, he's not here again.
Who? Who? Who need help? Let's know. Who is the person that need help?
Um,
Please remove all the square bracket. Who is sharing, please?
so I have a problem.
So what is the issue?
I tried to publish and they said the response is not a valid JSON response.
Please,
What do
can
you
we
want?
see it? Can we see it?
Okay, sure. Oh, sorry. So I tried to share. Look at what they're writing here. Publishing failed. The response is not valid.
Try publishing again. Let's see. Hope it's not network. The network.
Okay, it's saving.
This should be network.
I was scared.
That should be network. It will come up.
Does it take this much time?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. It's okay, sir. All right.
Okay, so on share now, I needed to hear from another person. Okay, so if nobody is sharing, so let's assume that that step is clear to every one of us, right? So that we can build one more page.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please let's
Hold on, please hold on. Let's complete this one now.
So let me see. Share your screen now. Let's see.
Can move on to another stage. We are still.
Share your screen. I think.
Okay, I'm coming. Please. Don't disturb me.
You are still here since. Oh yeah. I think that's the last one, right? The date is the last one. Yeah, let's generate. Oh, hold on. Okay, so you have it now. Hold on, it's still generating. So once it's end now, you copy everything, you go to your site.
Okay.
So start from the top and copy everything. Now, ordinarily, you are supposed to go through the content. You are supposed to read all the information because sometimes ChatGPT can lie. So if you are building a real website, once it has helped you to generate the content, take your time to read through. There are some areas you need to correct. So don't assume that everything it generated is correct. So let's copy. We are copying the wrong thing. No, I don't think the one I'm seeing on the screen is highlighted. Okay. Go back. Control Z. Madam. Oh yeah. Just select that copy at the top, that copy icon. Look at that copy icon. Before the download, just click on it and go there. Just click. Oh yeah, go back to your page. Go and open it and paste. Let's see. Oh yeah. If not, we will close here. We will continue from there next time.
Okay.
I've not seen your other screen. Have you switched back to your dashboard?
Yes, I'm back to the
No. We are not seeing unshare and share again so that it can take off this screen. Just unshare and share again. I'm not seeing your dashboard. I'm still seeing your ChatGPT. Oh, yeah, share again.
Can you see it now?
Yes, good. All right. Oh, yeah, go to the page now. Go to the privacy and policy. Privacy and policy. Where is it? Do you have it here?
It's not here.
It's not here. I thought I saw it the other time.
I just saw it now. Go down, you see it. See privacy. After checkout, just be going down, you see it. After portfolio, see it there now.
Okay.
See after portfolio, you see it there.
I've seen it.
That is okay. Yeah, click. Okay, so highlight the whole of this. No, you cannot highlight the first line. Start from the second line where you have who we are. Who we are. Start from there. Who we are. Who we are. Whether it's my network, I don't know. So yeah, take everything and paste and press Ctrl V for pasting. Highlight down. Go down. You have exceeded that place. So go up. You should have stopped where the content stopped. Not showing us all this. Go up. I don't know whether you can hear me. Go up. Go up. I want to see where. Good. This is where you should have stopped. So start your selection from here and go up. Oh yeah, start again. Oh yeah. Go down from there. Take it gradually. Keep going. Take it gradually. Touch the edge so that you roll up. Okay, gradually. Make sure you select all the content of the page. Are you still going? Madam. If you cannot select all of them, just be selecting and be deleting there before you paste. You can press your backspace key to remove those ones. Select another thing again, backspace key. If you cannot select all, select backspace key. Just press it so that you clear this one. Oh yeah, continue your selection and continue deleting. Backspace key so that you clear this one. Oh yeah, keep going. And even you can just select everything at once so that you save us time. There's a way you will just touch the bar there to be going down by itself. Oh yeah. You have cleared everything, right? I think this is the last one.
This is what is.
No, she did not copy the right thing. She copied.
No, you said I should.
No, go back. That copy, you not copy what you're doing. No, thank God that you have not closed it. Go back to your ChatGPT. Go and highlight. No, because we're having issue with highlighting. Go back to your ChatGPT. Highlight again. Highlight the new content. We are not seeing you again. Maybe you should share.
She's still there.
I'm in the ChatGPT.
We are not seeing your screen. So what would I just share and
Stop share.
If you are able to copy, no problem. Just kindly copy and come back.
So I'll paste my own. Should I show you?
You have to wait. I was happy your name is there. Maybe we are working on that ground. Just hold on. We'll see it now. Let's finish our own.
No.
Just hold on. Let her just show us.
Okay.
Oh yeah, just highlight now, please, ma'am. Madam, do fast,
She's
please.
having problem. She's
Okay.
having problem with highlighting. I'm
Yes.
not sure she's
Highlighting
having issue
is for you
highlighting.
to click on where you want to start from and drag, madam. That's how to highlight. The way you highlight in Microsoft Word. Make sure your cursor is blinking.
But it's not.
Click. Let the cursor be blinking in the click.
I'm clicking now, but the thing is not responding.
Nobody done know that full copy.
Then click on that copy now. See if it will copy the main
No,
thing.
that is
I
not that.
clicked on the copy.
Now, what you do now? Click on that X, that S. Click on that X.
This X.
Yeah, click on it. Click on it. That one is not responding. Hope your system have not hung. I don't understand. It's not responding to. Click on the X. Have you selected the S? Hope you are not pressing down the left button or the wrong button. Which button are you holding down?
I'm not holding anything down.
You hold down the button and drag now. You hold down the left button and drag from privacy policy. Not there. From private, hold down the left button and drag.
It's not even showing itself, not the talk of hold and drag now. It's not even.
Wait. Let me share my screen and see what.
My mouse.
Whether it's your mouse. Don't know. Now, this is the same thing. Now, look at this here. This is what we are trying to do now. This is what I say you should close. So if you close this,
Let me see if I can.
you're able to copy this one like this easily. There you can see it.
Because that means you close the information.
Yes, so but just start from here. I think something is wrong somewhere from the way it generated it. I want to see whether. Okay, so once you see your cursor like this, you just drag. So see if you can do it now. Madam, you are the one we are waiting for now. Are you doing it?
Still not to be responding. In this chat GPT page, it's not responding.
Okay, so maybe you take your time to do it again. Maybe you can close the chat GPT and run it again, edit again at your convenience time. Then copy and paste and publish. So before the next class, you should be ready. Let's look at the next person. That person I wanted to show us. It should be working now, right? Is it working now?
Okay.
Now, let's do something. Look at that place that says, I have drafted a comprehensive. Can you see that section? I have drafted.
Yes, I've seen it.
There is a copy.
Yes.
There is a copy icon I'm seeing there after the speaker icon. After the speaker, yeah, click there. Let's see. Click. Go there and paste. Let's see whether this one will capture the contents.
So I should go to the.
Yes, go back to your dashboard and see whether it will paste now. Let's try this option. If this option did not work,
yes, it captured it. Yes.
But we cannot see your screen now. We cannot see your screen again. I don't know why it's doing like that. Whether...
Not everything. It just.
I want to see it. Share again. Oyikosi, please get ready.
It's copied now. See what it's copied here.
Yeah, it's coming.
I've drafted a comprehensive.
Is it just this information?
Yes, this is all what.
Oh, no, we cannot take this. That means you have to go and find a way of getting it. So maybe you close this ChatGPT, open a new tab, then copy that information I drop in your WhatsApp, then edit again. Then as soon as it's run, then copy. It's something you can do on your own. Make sure you have to do it. So let's see another person's own before we close. it means we are stopping here because we have taken the whole time, but it's still good. At least the word we learned, we are able to apply it. That is how you are expected to learn WordPress anyway. I'm not seeing your screen yet, so the person sharing.
I've shared
Okay, yeah,
it too.
I can see it now. I can see it now. You have pasted now. I can see today's date there.
Yes.
And have you saved? Have you updated? Have you updated?
Yes.
Okay. Because I'm seeing save there. I hope you have clicked on that save so that tomorrow you will see it too. That's what I'm asking.
Yes, I've clicked on
All right. All right.
it.
All right. So we are stopping here today. We still have, so you cannot share now on Purity, just on share. Now we still
I've
have,
done that.
okay. So we still have, let me leave this one with us. I want to drop this on the WhatsApp page. So the same thing we did now. This is for term and condition. So you copy it, paste it in your ChatGPT, substitute your website, your business name, your products, your targets, your address, your dates, your email. Once it generates the content, then switch back to your back end, then go to your pages. So I'm leaving this with us as an assignment. So you are expected to have done it before the next class. That was terms and condition. So you come back, you will see your terms and condition here. Is there terms and condition here at all? There is no terms and condition. So now let me just do this one before I end the class, but I will not allow us to do it. So you do it as your assignment. Let me do this one. Let me do this one. So let me quickly take it, copy. So I'll start from act as a legal expert, write me a comprehensive. So I go back to my ChatGPT. So I'll cancel this. So that I'll have a new chart and paste. Now substitute the same name, website. After this, we are closing. www.dgtechz.com.ng. My business name is L and G Limited. We sell cars for customer. You can change it. We sell cars to customer. So you can actually change your statements. I told you can adjust. My email is info at teach info at where is it safe? My email info at digitech.com.ng. My address is, let's say number one. Number one of Anam. Delta States. Then today date is 8/02/25. So I generate. Let me wait for it. While I am waiting, let me go and drop it in the WhatsApp group so that you can access it. So here, data controller. I want to check whether this is the one we. Okay, I think it's just generating now. Let me see. I'm trying to find out whether this is the. Okay, this is terms and condition. Where did this start from? Terms and condition. So let me click here. Okay. So this is what it brought out for me as terms and condition. So I'll take everything down, down, down. Stop here. Copy it. Now, going back to my page, my dashboard, I don't have terms and condition here as a page. So I have to create it just like the way we created the other one. So I'll go to page. I'll go to add new pages. I'll go to add new pages and create a page called terms and condition. That is all. Then I'll paste, then publish. So the reason why we did not create that privacy, because we already have it. We inherited it. So in case there's any page you want and you don't have it there, you can always create it. Okay, so terms and condition. It's a page. So I don't want to, I've created it and then I want to add the content at the same time. I don't want to waste my time after publishing it. Then I will now copy and start coming. So I can just click here, click on this plus here to tell you what you want to add. So if it's an image, maybe your terms and conditions want to add image, you add. If it's just heading, but it's just paragraph. So that one that we made here is called paragraph. So just paste it here. Paste whatever you copy from there and then publish at once, publish again. So we have our terms and condition ready. We have it ready. So everyone, you create your terms and condition before the next class. Make sure you have all these published there. Any question? Do we have question? So we have learned how to create, how to check existing pages with our team and how to delete and how to add more pages and how to create more pages and how to add those.
I've done the privacy. I've done it.
Thank you. So everybody, I'm leaving this one as an assignment. Make sure you do it before next week, Saturday. Next week, Saturday, we will work with, we'll actually go far because most of these pages we have created now, we are not going to touch them again. We'll just go straight to changing contents. What we are going to be doing is editing this header. If we want to change the background, change the text color, and then probably start changing all this information. So next week is going to be another main practical. Please, let's plan to be there. Any question, please, before we end it? Here. Any question? Like I said, if you don't have an account, please chat me up so that I can create one for you tomorrow. And once I create an account for you, you have to update it to where we stop. Okay, so if there's no question, let me call it good night here. Good night.
Excuse me, sir. Please, I have a question.
Okay. Please, we can't hear you. Who is the person speaking? Please call your name. Who is the person speaking? I don't know. Vera. Vera, please, we cannot hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you now.
Okay, I wanted to ask, what's the difference between edit and quick edit?
Okay, we will understand that probably in the next class, but let me show you. Let me show you where do we have that. Let me have that. Let's go to the pages. Now,
Yes, pages.
now from here, right? The difference between this
Yes,
and
sir.
this.
Yes.
This one is when you want to change the name, but when you want to edit the contents, is here. But in our next class, we are going to be using a builder called Elementor or this. But because we have not started make content editing, that is why this one they are just textual content. That is why we are using this. But if you want to add contents that will form a user interface, like all this you are seeing, if I can just see that front end that we are working with, where is it? Oh, I've closed it. Front end, if we can just see. For us to edit all these contents, to design them, to give all this color, we cannot use quick edits. We cannot use input edits. We are going to use a plugin called Elementor or Page Layer. So for now, just to answer your question, if you want to change this name, use what? Quick edit. If you want to add text, use what? Edits. You want to change this, use quick edits. You want to add content, use what? Edits. But for now, is that the only question you have?
Okay. Now, sir.
Well, I hope you are doing what we are doing, because I've not.
Yes. I'm actually, I'm following up. I'm actually having issues downloading ChatGPT, telling me to log in, sign up, and all that. But I am going to fix it up before the next class.
Right. All right. So it's safe to say good night, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you.